Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Rani Kasih with name 23JL104036 and I want to tell you about Istana Basa Pagaruyung. Istana Basa Pagaruyung is a traditional place that symbolizes the culture and history of the Minangkabau people, located in Tanjung Emas, Tanah Datar Regency, West Sumatra. This place is a replica of the original place of the Pagaruyung Kingdom, which once served and the center of governance and tradition for the Minangkabau community. History of Istana Pagaruyung. The Pagaruyung Kingdom. The Pagaruyung Kingdom was established in the 14th century and became the center of Minangkabau civilizations. The roles of Pagaruyung were leaders of tradition who adheres to the philosophy adat basandi syara, syarat basandi kitabullah, meaning customs are based on Islamic law. The second is burning of the original place. The original place was burned down 1804 during conflict with the Dutch. The replace standing today was built in 1976 to preserve Minangkabau culture and history. The church is renovation and rebuilding. In 207, Istana Basa Pagaruyung caught fire again after being struck by lightning. The current place is the result of restoration after the incident, maintaining the original design and architecture and design. The first traditional Minangkabau rumah gadang. The place is designed in the style of a rumah gadang with a roof shaped like buffalo homes. The roof is made from ijuk, palm fibers, which is durable and long-lasting. The second is carving and symbolism. The place walls are adorned with Minangkabau carving that depict flora and fauna and carry profound philosophical meanings. The motif symbolizes harmony between humans, nature, and God. The third is a building structure. The building has the floors, each respecting aspects of Minangkabau life, tradition, religion, and governance. Its interior is divided according to traditional function, including the living quarters of the king and family as well as meeting space. Function of Istana Basa Pagaruyung. The first is center of governance and tradition. Istana Basa Pagaruyung was once used as the royal residence and the center for decision making, traditional and governance. The second is culture preservation. Today, the place functions as a Minangkabau history, tradition, and customs. It also serves as an educational center for the Minangkabau way of life. The third is tourist attraction. Visitors can view historical artifacts, traditional clothing, and culture tours. Additionally, tourists can rent traditional attire for photos and experience Minangkabau culture firsthand. Relation of Istana Basa Pagaruyung to Minangkabau culture. The first is life philosophy. Istana Basa reflects the Minangkabau philosophy of blending tradition, religion, and social life. The second is art and traditions. The place is a hub for preserving Minangkabau traditional arts such as dance, telempang music, and wood carving. The third is material system. In the material Minangkabau culture, women play a significant role in the traditional structure. This is reflected in the arrangement of space within the place. Tourist and modern role. Popular tourist destination. Istana Basa Pagaruyung is one of the most popular culture tourist spot in West Sumatra, attracting both domestic and international visitors. Cultural festivals. The place is often used for cultural events such as traditional celebrations, weddings, and religious ceremonies. Economic contribution. The presence of Istana Basa Pagaruyung also support the local economy through tourism, handicrafts, and traditional culinary offerings. The conclusion is Istana Basa Pagaruyung is not just a physical structure but also a symbol of the culture, historical, and philosophical richness of the Minangkabau people, with its magnificent architecture, profound traditional values, and function as a center for cultural preservation. This place is a heritage that must be protected and passed on to future generations. Uh, that's all for me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.